what is the name of that? Any take any? Okay, see, str is what here? It is a, it is not a, can you say that int is a set, float is a set? No, no, int is not a set, float is not a set. Was this str is a value, this str, float, int, these are all variables. So str is not a set, these are tuples. Why? Because I told you that you need to keep here bracket, flower braces. So see, if you want to know what is exactly, you type the print statement here, print, use type here bracket. Now that is what str. So then you will get the, why it is giving error here, you need to put one more bracket here. Now you run this, you will get, this is tuple. Str is what? It is a variable which is holding string values. Now it is tuple, it is not set. If you want to make it set, you need to keep flower braces here. This is very important. Understand that? You keep your flower brace here. So whenever you run this, it is now set. Means this string now variable becomes a set whenever you keep the flower braces. So if I want to what we are discussing, that unchangeable na, so set is what? The values. Okay, now if I want to change the value, you write print bracket str index, keep the square brackets, 0 is equal, first of all you store the value in, that is what means string is a variable that is holding, this is what set. Now here you want to change the value at 0 index. So at the 0 index I want to keep somewhat string like Raman. Okay, so now what I want to do, that this Raman value I want to store at this 0 index. Okay, so as per my statement, set values are unchangeable. Set values are unchangeable, we can't change. So now I want to change Vasu. Okay, string is a, str is a variable which is having Vasu at 0 index. I want to change this with Raman. So now you try to get print statement. Okay, str. Now you actually, if it is changeable, this Raman value to be placed where? Here. Okay, let us check that what happened. So you will get this type of type error. Type error means set object. Set, I told you that set, tuple, dictionary, list, they are all considered as objects. They are all the objects. Okay. Okay. So doesn't support item assignment. So you can't assign is equal to means what? You are assigning some value to the any variables index. 0 index you want to assign this value. So set, in sets values can't be changeable. One word also used here, immutable. Unchangeable mean also are one word used, immutable, because we as a programmer we must be aware of all that words will be used in. Because I have written unchangeable and in your exam you will get sets are immutable, please justify. This is the question. If you get sets are immutable, but I have used unchangeable here. So you feel that what is the meaning of immutable? Means both are same. Sets values are unchangeable. Okay, but you can add and remove values by keeping by which method? Add method. Okay, so we can write here comment here, set values are immutable, but we can add an item. Item means our value. Item means nothing but its value. So sets values are immutable, but we can add or remove an item. Okay, as per this we set dot, we will use dot method. Once we use dot method, we will get add, remove, update. These are the methods. So if I want to add, I can add. If I want to remove. I want to use remove method here. Remove, by remove method, I want to remove somewhat. Okay. Set dot remove. Okay. At what location? Set dot remove bracket. Okay. You simply keep the bracket. So under this, you keep the value, what the value you want to set. So set is a, where is that set? Set is where any value is here, any that is what set. Set is a tuple, sorry, set is a set. So here that set is declared, I think, previously way. So I want to take whichever near to me. This is the set. So take the y. So y dot. Okay. Otherwise, I need to discover where is that set is defined. So y dot remove. Y dot. If I am keeping the dot operator, if I am getting all these methods, means that set is declared somewhere else with the set name. Set, you can keep any name variable now. Here y is very near to me, so that's why I want to use this y. Here I want to remove this 10. Okay, now use that remove method. Okay, remove in bracket keep 10. Okay, after that you take a printout of y. Y is a set. Now new, this is set object doesn't support item assignment. Here you have done this, you keep this as a comment section. After that you run this code again. So now see, now updated set, we are able to see here updated set of y. Where is y? This is very near to me. Before that also, this is str is one set. Before that one more set is declared here. This x is a set. Many sets I have declared as per the situation. Somewhere set. That's why whenever I kept set dot, if I have written here, as I told you that here set dot. Once I am getting all these methods, means that set with a variable, it is declared with a set is a variable. Okay, that is. So but myself, I need to go somewhere else to show you where is that set. So that's why I have taken that y, which is very near to you. Now under this true 4j Vasu 10 point, here this y, this 10 is removed, only 4 values displayed. That is what true. Order C, true is at the end, the true is displayed at the starting, means the values are unordered. Okay, and 4j is at the end of the set, but you are getting 4j at the here. So this is what, by remove method we can change the values. Okay, after that we need to study that, as I told you, that next is what, how to access a set. Comment here, how to access a set values. Okay, now come down here, we will use here but we can't access set values by referring an index, by referring an index. Okay, what do you mean of this? How to access set value? We can't access set values by if you refer any index. By that, if you want to get the set values, you can't access it. Simply you see print. Okay, what is that? Y is what? Y is a set. You keep brackets here. Within this 0 index means you want to get the print statement of y. Y is what? Y is a, where is y? Y is a your set. This is y is a set because flower brackets are there. then within that